Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a powerful node-RED application. Node-RED isn't just for IT geek anymore. If you are an automation engineer, node-RED is powerful critical tools for next generation of an industry. It bridges the gap between your PLC data and the professional web-based UI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build dashboard using dashboard 2.0, including gauge and chart and interactive control. Let's start. Click install the node-RED. Start node-RED. Okay, minimize, then start. Localhost A1AA0. Okay, here is new one. So first we should add node is the dashboard node. We go to in here, go down, go to manager palette, go to install, right down here, node-RED, right dashboard. Here, right down node dashboard. Okay, means here. First one is node-RED dashboard is a duplicate. This is the dashboard. Is the old one. New one, dashboard 2 in here. Flow fields node-RED dashboard. Okay, install. Install. Okay, close, install already. You can see here, dashboard 2, okay, in the node-RED node section. Okay, dashboard 2. Now we start. First, we create a gauge. It's gauge and slide chart. In here is gauge chart and an input. Number input. Okay. Okay. So this number input. Also we have slide in here. Okay. Okay. In here we should now click all the group. Is group, yeah, now it's group 1. Group 1. Okay. This all the group. This group 1. This group, we should choose group 1. In here, group 1. In here, oh yeah, group 1. Okay. So We should control this one. This number is gauge. This one chart. Okay, sorry. The chart is the slide. Is the gauge. Is equal to chart. Then is the number go to the slide. Okay. First we property is number reach number we go to 100. 0 to 100. Okay. Slide is 100. Okay, gauge is 100. All is 100. Okay. Of chart is doesn't matter. Okay. Deploy is working. Then we should go to here, triangle, go down the dashboard, choose dashboard. In here is open dashboard. Click. Here is open. Okay. Is here. Okay. We can a little bit changing is chart. It's too big. We can use okay 5.4. okay. Open dashboard. Look, here's dashboard coming. So we can use slide control. Look, 14, 23, 45, 100. Okay. 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 Here's go down up. Now we can use number. Look, here's number. Okay. That's it. This is the dashboard. It's how to create dashboard. Yeah, that's very simple and easy to use in this web-based UI. Okay, thank you very much.